So I am with
Hi.
John. John?
Jan. Jan.
John.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not very good with names, but John is my guide
Now in this garden.
in this island. Okay, so we're on our way now.
One of the fascinating things to do in this place is the boat tour, which is also the only venture that most tourists like to do first. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the places to see in Inle Lake on a day tour.
This one-man fishing boat is our first stop of this tour. Looking at the fisherman stands at the end of the canoe, wrapping his one leg around the oar, while the other leg guiding him in balancing his moves. This is an unusual fishing technique from Burmese fishermen that I'd like to witness. Although it may disappoint a bit since interacting this type of fishermen are doing it for the tourists and expecting a tip in return. With full awareness of the situation because my guide shares the idea prior to this activity, without a doubt, I politely and willingly give the fisherman a reasonable tip. So we're actually here at the garden. What's the name again? Garden.
The floating
Floating
garden.
garden.
Floating garden.
And you can
A lot of
see
tomato here.
so many tomatoes.
Yeah. 80% for the whole country.
Yeah, 80% for the whole country. And this is very nice. Very good. So they get the seaweeds in the lake down there before here. And then you could see that one there. They put in the tomato plant.
Very good fertilizer.
It's a different one. So they have like bamboos.
Yeah.
This one to
Keep
hold.
the island, otherwise when we go away.
Yeah, I'm taking the video. Say hi.
Hi Jan.
So they're putting some bamboos to hold because of course it's a lake. There's like water on it. There. So they're putting, and I'm on time. It's actually like 10 o'clock now here in Myanmar. They have all those seaweeds in front of me. So those are people. They're going to put seaweeds as a fertilizer. It's beautiful here.
In Paukon village, there is a number of lotus weaving factory where locals are really happy to show to the tourists on how they make lotus fabric and cloth.
Palmarela
After stopping by the Lotus Weaving Factory, my guide took me to this beautiful place for lunch. The last stop of my long day trip is the Kayan tribe. There are also women stationed in the northern part of Thailand, but this one from Inle Lake makes it a better sight witnessing this tribe. Although it is set for the tourists, there is a better place meeting them, which is in the Shan state, where unfortunately I had no other time to make a visit. Regardless of the setup in the lake, I still am dignified having met them in person. They don't speak English, thus my guide came to rescue. So to know more about this, you may check to my blog, www.everywherewithferna.com.